courses. That's semi-intensive. Just not worth it. Just learn at your own rate, at your own speed. When you get in the car with the examiner, just put it in there.
The driving license?
Yes. If he stays calm, he's got a okay chance. Not 100% chance, but if he gets slide it across, so it'll go up now.
Sorry.
Go on, just put it back up. It would have just went up itself.
Yeah.
If he lets the nerves get to the better of him and doesn't read the road, it's not a pass, it's a fail. Wait when you're ready. Show these viewers your driving skills. Is your signature still the same as that?
Yeah, more or less. Do I need to do it today?
No. Slide the button across to the left. Leave it. Leave it.
Okay.
Leave it.
So I leave it on the left?
Yes.
Okay.
It wants to go up a little bit, that for me.
Yeah.
That's it. Can you still see the front door?
Yeah.
What were you saying, sorry?
Do I need to do that signature today?
Yes.
Okay, I'll try my best.
If it's different, we won't take it. So you make sure you dress signature like that.
Okay.
Just a piece of scribble, isn't it?
It's kind of my name very quickly.
How can you tell me that's a name? There's no, I can't even see one word in there.
I can see my name just about, yeah.
What?
I think they printed it really small, so it looks kind of strange.
Yeah. Right when you're ready. So just put it in there, yeah? Over your left shoulder, where the car wants to go. I'd be steering that way if I was.
Oh, no, no.
Go on. Then the roundabout, turn right, come all the way back round.
Okay.
Do gas first, Eddie, none of the clutching. See how you're pulling out really slow?
Yeah.
Turn right, come all the way back. Turn it right. Remember, the exams are not looking for learner drivers.
Yeah.
If you're going to drive like a learner, then you ain't going to pass. Remember, you've got to stay calm today and you've got to read the road.
Yeah.
If you get nervous, forget it. But that would be a pass well done. Tell me what you're going to do with your emergency stop again.
So press the brake all the way down, and then immediately slam the clutch down.
Well, after you nearly just before you've stopped, yeah?
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's up. Car behind. Stop. Thank you.
Okay. And then,
Don't come off the brake.
okay, yeah. Okay.
Drive on when you're ready. Now, because you're in the middle of the road, you need this blind spot. If you miss this one, minor fault. You miss that one, it's an instant fail.
Yeah.
You got that?
Yeah.
Right, now can you tell me what you've done there with your feet?
Press the brake all the way down.
Just what I said right at the start, wasn't
Yeah.
it? Yes. You see how quick it stopped?
Yeah.
That's perfect technique, what you've done there. Perfect. Push the brake firmly, you did not stamp, and at the very last second, you put your clutch down. Well done. Well, we're going to the test centre, young man. Time to pray. do last night?
Watched a couple more videos.
Did you?
Went for a big walk to try and kind of just think about other stuff for a bit. Because I was
I bet you're sick of watching them videos,
a
eh?
little bit, yeah. I've watched all of them by this point. All those ones at least.
Take the next road to the left. There's the example of the green coat on. See them?
Yeah. Do you want me to go to the next one?
Just go to the next one. You'll turn in there, look, and then turn left.
Yeah, yeah. I've watched you do it a bajillion times now.
We're turning right. And then can you drive into beer, left or right hand side? Lovely. That'll do for me. Then back it out to the left.
To the left.
Yep.
So
On your left shoulder.
I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. It's gonna confuse me if I look at different methods. You know. There's certain things after a certain point you don't really want to know. Like, there's certain things after a certain point you don't really want to know, like other methods. You just
got me a bag of nerves here. Now there's 3 examiners on. There's Andy, Malcolm, and Paul. They're all really nice examiners. So if you drive safely, they will gladly give you a license. So you've got to concentrate and read the road. Have you got that?
Yeah.
You're not sitting in the car being nervous. If he sees you being nervous, he's going to think you don't know what you're doing. Right, go on and get yourself in. Make it look good because they're all watching you, yeah? Do the one next to the learner. Stop staring in the dormer. You need to keep looking all around the car, yeah?
Now I need to maybe go forward a bit and straighten out.
We'll back it up and
Okay,
just back it up, that'll do. We haven't got time.
Okay, sorry.
Back it up a bit more, huh? You put your handbrake on point you. Look. You get away with that, it's a pass, it's in. But look, if it's a little bit wide, you have to put lots of steering on.
I did though. I know.
Yeah, I know you did that. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
If it's a little bit wide, you have to put lots of steering on.
Yeah.
No, why do you want to do that for? Look, if it's on there's a gap, you put your half a turn on, do you agree?
Yeah.
Now, as you're coming in, if it's only going a little bit wide, if you put lots of steering on, what's it going to do?
Go too far.
Close.
Yeah.
So if it's going a little wide, just put a quarter turn.
Okay, I thought it was.
Now, if it's really wide,
yeah,
stick them in half a turns, yeah? Right. Do you want to open the bonnet or you're okay?
I want to squeeze in going to the toilet. I don't mind your order. Whatever you think is best. If you want to.
Oh, what I think is best is me doing the test for you. If I could pass for you, I'd gladly do it for you, yeah? Well, it's time to wish Philip the best of luck. Have to be honest, 50-50. If he fetches his A game, he's got a really good chance of passing, but he gets too nervous. So when you get nervous, the brain doesn't work, don't function properly. You suffer from nerve blindness, or it isn't going to happen. He's come all the way from London, so it's going to be a bad weekend if you fail, that's for sure. Right, give us a prediction. What do you think?
I think you're right. 50-50. If
So,
I stay calm, I'm all right. But
are you going to pass, I feel?
I'm just trying to stay calm. If I stay calm, I can pass.
Right, so how many minors?
I've done some where I had like 8, I think. So anything that or below I'd be very happy with.
I'm going for about 5 or 6 miles. I'm going for first time pass. Got really nice examiners up here. They just want to see his driving skills. If he does drives like he can do, then he's got a very good chance of passing. I'm never really in the lessons every day. I've never seen anything to show me that he could pass a driving test because he's making too many serious faults, weren't you?
More or less.
But the last couple of lessons has been pretty good. So it's enough to tell me that he can pass. Right, go and run up them stairs, and the toilet is to the left. Have you got that?
Just leave the car there for now.
Yeah. Now, you said you want your trainer to come with you. Say no, I'm not coming.
Okay.
They said you want him there at the end. Say yes. Have you got that?
Okay.
So at the end of the test, he will tell you, yeah? He said, you won't tell me to come over and he'll open the door,
Okay.
yeah? You open the door.
So I can go up there,
Yes.
go to the toilet, and there's a desk I'll go and talk to them at.
No, just go up the stairs, go to the toilet and come back down.
Okay, alright.
See me. Make sure you come out the toilet. Hurry up. Well, I'm absolutely gutted because it didn't record at the end. I don't know what happened, but Philip came back. He was absolutely ecstatic. It looked like he looked totally lathered. He looked like he'd run a marathon. His cheeks was red. The sweat was on his brow, and he was just. It was amazing to see him. The smile on his face. And the examiner said he said it was a lovely drive. He said he had a couple of gear faults, one steering and a gear fault. When I first met Philip, I knew straight away he was nervous by the way he drove. I think some of the nerves is down to his basic lack of car control, so we worked on that, tried to get all that put right. And then when we got to the mock test stage, I gave him 2 mock tests and I absolutely tortured that lad. For 2 mock tests, I got 6 serious faults out of him both times. He didn't want to go on YouTube, and I don't blame him because I really took him to town. It was much harder than the driving test. And leading up the test, I think he done lessons every day, a couple of hours every day for 2 weeks. And he leading up the test, I didn't really see anything that was think he was going to pass, but because he put the hard yards in, he put the work in. He watched videos every night. He had lessons every day, a couple of hours every day. I was going to take him. The last 2 or 3, the last mock test he done, he had 1 serious fault. I can't remember what it was for, but that's when I knew he could pass if he put his act together. If he got it all together, he could pass. So Philip, I'm absolutely buzzing. 9 days later, when I'm trying to edit this video. May I take this opportunity to wish you every success for the future. Please drive safely, and I'm absolutely buzzing that you passed first time. Well done, Philip.